The Text Chart tab allows you to chart discourse constituents. To make more room for the chart, I'm going to minimize the Texts pane. And I'll do the same for the navigation sidebar. The text you are analysing is displayed below the chart along with word glosses if they're available. To move words into the chart, you simply click on these buttons which correspond to the column headings. The tool automatically selects the next word for you until you have charted the whole text. You can select more than one word to move into a single cell by clicking on the rightmost word you wish to move, and then they are all moved into the cell. Alternatively, you can simply press the button multiple times to move more than one word into a cell. A new row is automatically added to the chart every time you choose a column which is to the left of the previously charted word. When you review your initial attempt at charting the text and find you would need to move the contents of a cell or of an individual word, you can do this using the Cell menu. For example, I need to move the word loudly back into the same cell as said. I use the Cell menu and select Move Word or Move Cell Back. If you need to move a word or a cell repeatedly to move it several places over, there's a shortcut key to keep going, which is holding down Control and using the arrow. The Cell menu also contains many other markers, etc. To mark speech, such as "This is boring," I select the place where the speech is the object of the sentence and select Make Speech Clause Out of. In this case, it is the following clause that contains speech. I also need to mark speech for "That's incredible" from this cell. In this case, I select Previous Clause. To mark that this subject is not in its usual position, I mark it as postposed, like this. We can also designate where the sentence breaks come so that the line numbering is appropriate. The built-in template and the built-in chart markers may not be suitable for the language you are analysing, but you can modify them in the Lists area.